We'll go through the same process with this equation as we did for the last one. Always start off by identifying d, the vertical shift. So find the midpoint of the function, which would be here at 3. Tells us d is 3. From d, we can find a easily. Look at how far above or below the graph, above this line, the graph goes. And you might be tempted to say that a is 2. But if you look at the scale, a is actually 1. B, can find next distance from peak to peak or trough to trough. We don't really have two peaks on this one, but we do have two troughs. We have a point right here and a point here. Looking at the scale, this first trough is at -60. The second trough is at 300, so the distance between those is 360. And we know that b equals 360 divided by period length. So 360 divided by 360, which is 1. Finding c is dependent on whether or not this is a sine or a cosine. We're going to treat it as a sine function. Sine starts at the midline of the function, which would be right here, which is 30 degrees off the y-axis, so c is 30 degrees. The equation of this, so y equals 1 sine of 1 x minus 30 plus 3. Now in this case, the 1's are not necessary because they're multiplied, so we can just call this y equals sine of x minus 30 plus 3.